What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Nora Bar. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. We're gonna be doing some detailing stuff. I'm gonna give you guys some quick advice on how to deal with the heat and how to prevent water spots. And if water spots do come out, not to worry about that, because I'm gonna teach you guys how to remove water spots. Quick, easy steps, actually. So if you guys are interested, please stay tuned and watch the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in once again. Alrighty guys, so the secret to not getting any water spots, especially using this hose and regular water from the ground, is this. I found this at my local Walmart. It's the RV water filter. So you buy two, I think it's $24 or so. So you just go ahead and plug this in. I mean, I usually run a separate hose from this to the faucet here, whatever you want to call it. Sorry about that, someone's texting me. So I just want to connect this like so. So once it's all tight and snug, I want to go ahead and grab the end of my hose, connect that there, and then so on and so forth, and it's connected to my machine. But I want to let the water run till it's clear, because I know the water sometimes comes out white. So you want to let it run till it's clear and let the filter do its job. And then once you see it clear, I just take that as the filter's done its job, and then I wash my car, and then legitly no water spots ever come out. If water spots do come out, it's probably from a previous wash or from the rain that we've had and there's a water spot, but not to worry, I'll show you guys how to take care of those water spots and how to address them properly. And like I said, the water always comes out white first. So what I'm doing right now with this water, I'm gonna let it clear up, but I always like to clean my buckets before putting any soap or solution in the bucket. So I want to clean my bucket, and I want to clean the sand traps. I also want to clean my hand mitts before I apply them to any vehicle, any client vehicles that I have. Today we're using my vehicle, my Fiat Bars, as you've seen on my other videos. So, alright, let's go ahead and clean out this bucket, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alrighty guys, so I just want to apologize for all the noise in the background. We got my neighbor drumming, we got the kids jumping on the trampoline. So I just want to apologize for any background noise going on. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and start and clean up the tires and the rims. As you can see right here, they're a little bit dirty. I just got brand new tires, so they put on all this lubrication on it. So I want to go ahead and get rid of that. And with doing that, I want to go ahead and grab my brush right here. So this is my brush to clean any tires. We have my rim cleaner, my wheel cleaner, and then my detailing brush to get on the spokes and everything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some of the Chemical Guys maxi suds and then pour it in here just to get some nice suds and lubrication before I start anything. So that should be good enough. And then with the pressure washer, and then for the actual soap that I'm going to be using on the car for the wash, I'm going to be using Chemical Guys Glossworks Auto Wash. So I'm going to put at least like 2 ounces or so. Guesstimated. That should be enough. A little more. Alright, cool. For this, I do use the double bucket method just so I don't leave any scratches or swirls, or just to clean off any of the dirt, especially with the dirt traps down there. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. That, and then go ahead and grab my pressure gun, and I like to aim it on the glove to make the most suds. Alright, so what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go ahead and clean the inside right here. Get any loose dirt. And then what I like using to clean the rims is Chemical Guys Diablo Cleaner. This thing works magic. I mean, I have two, this one's already running low. So let's go ahead and fill this bottle and then work on this bottle that's already been worked on. So let's go ahead and spray some of this stuff all over the rim and tires. Let's go ahead and get deep in there, don't need too much. So my next thing I'm gonna do is grab my wheel brush. Let's go ahead and grab a little bit of the suds, lubricate a little bit, and then just kind of go around the tire, take off any gunk or lubrication that was left from the tire replacement, you know. So I would actually be going a little bit harder because I'm holding the camera, I can't. So just giving you guys an example, just go all around it, you know, spray some of the cleaner on it just to give it a little more lubrication. There you go. Just go to town on it. Alright, now that's all done. I'll go ahead and grab my wheel brush and then just go to town on this. It's just not that dirty from in here, but that's how you do it. Just quick little brushes. And I bought this one at AutoZone for $5.99. It works great. I like the little sponginess so it won't harm or scratch your rims. Go ahead and go to town on this bad boy. And then the last step, guys, just go ahead and grab your detail brush. Go ahead and soak it up in some of that suds. And just go to town. Probably spray a little more of that. There you go. And just watch the magic happen. Pretty much what I want to do, so you want to get down into the bolts, get really detailed in there, you know, do the emblems or whatnot, but you get the point. See, it's all a little dirty right here. Get all up in there, take off all this gunk. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and rinse it off. And there she is, nice and clean. Alrighty guys, get a quick close up on all the dirty areas. So we might have some water spots on this area. I know there's some crazy ones right here on this area, or whatever this is right here. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but definitely gonna address that. The car's really dusty. I would never do that on a client's car, but just to show you guys, it's pretty dirty. Alrighty guys, so the next step, let's go ahead and fill up our foam cannon right here with some regular water. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my handy dandy funnel right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use the auto gloss or the auto wash. And just go with 2 ounces or so. Alrighty guys, so she's all suds up. Let's check out that coat. I love it. So right now I'm just letting the soap do its work, getting into the dirt and the grime, loosening it up before I hit it with the hand mitt, and then we'll get down to business. So in the meantime, while this is going on, you want to go ahead and dip in your detail brush. Just want to get into all the little spots like so. Door jams. You really want to get really detailed stuff, the emblems. Now that she's all done, let's go ahead and rinse her down, take all the gunk off, and then we'll start with the hand wash. Alrighty guys, now that that's done, let's go ahead and get our mitt. Let's go ahead and hit it down on the sand catcher right there. Start from top to bottom. And there you go. So let's go ahead and rinse off the rest of the soap that's on it. Alrighty guys, so before we proceed with the drying part, I just bought this afterwash from Chemical Guys, and I'm gonna do a quick test. So I'm gonna use one of their one of these microfiber towels versus the regular chamois, and I'm gonna see which one gives the best results. So I'm gonna go ahead and re-wet the surface. And then apply some of the afterwash. on it, and we'll go first. Alrighty guys, so that's with the microfiber towel, and now we have it with the chamois next. Go ahead and spray some of this after wash. Check it out. So I like it. I like the microfiber wash, but I feel like the chamois absorbs more water. But it does give it a nice glossy look. So I really do like this after wash, as you can see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up drying it using this microfiber, using this after wash from Chemical Guys. I really do like the effect it gives it, that nice shiny wet look. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep using this, and I'm gonna use the chamois. How about I do one side with the chamois, one side with the microfiber towel. So we'll see which one's best. Alrighty guys, so this is the microfiber towel side. It looks amazing. And this is a combination of the microfiber towel with the Chemical Guys after wash. Let's get a little top view right here. So we'll go ahead and finish up with the after wash here, and then yeah, finish up with the chamois. Alrighty guys, so the microfiber towel took the win just because I was doing the chamois to dry up the left side, and it just couldn't do it with the chemical with the after wash spray, so it just smudged it up. So I had to grab the microfiber towel for the support and help. But I mean, look at that gloss, that glossy look. Look, I mean, I don't have to wax it, to be honest. It looks great just how it is, but let's go ahead and add some finishing touches. And as you can tell, there's no water spots in sight. There's a couple, but really nothing you can really see. So for the water spots, we have two choices right now. We have McGuire's wheel brightener, or we have Chemical Guys water spot removal. So this is, I think this is a citrus base, I'm not too sure, but I know this is acidic, so this will leave like smudges, so you would definitely have to wax it right after you apply this. But this one, I know it's more like a waxy look, but you definitely want to use a wax after this one as well. So both of them you're gonna have to wax either way after the use of both of them, but I'm gonna teach you right now how to use both of them. I'm gonna start with McGuire's wheel brightener. I do use a 5:1 dilution. So the water spots are right here. I don't know if you can really see them with the camera. Hopefully you can. So what I'm gonna do, just soak some up on this little bit of the microfiber towel, put some on the water spots, and then just wipe off and then buff it out on the other side. There you have it. So after this, go ahead and apply some wax, and then just go to town on with the wax, and don't want to get it on the windows. So that's always kind of covering it. I usually would put tape, but it's my car, so I really don't care much. I love my car, but I take it off-roading all the time. For a Fiat, I know it sounds crazy, but if it was a client's car, definitely prep it. And there you have it, guys. Nice McGrath's wheel brightener with the, of course, Chemical Guys spray wax, banana scented, amazing. And those are the results right there. So let's go ahead and do it now with the Chemical Guys water spot removal. So we're gonna go ahead and grab a pad applicator to get this one. So you gotta make sure you shake it up, and let's go find another water spot so we can apply this on. Alright guys, so there's like 2 right here. I don't know if you can see it through the camera. So let's go ahead and use this bad boy and see what kind of results we get. Go ahead and grab a plain microfiber towel. Go ahead and buff up any remainder. Put that right there. Grab some of the wax, like so. Buff it off. And there you have it, guys. They're both great products, but I believe this one cost me about $14 or so, and then the Meguiar's cost me about $30, but it came with the spray bottle and it came with this big bad boy right here. So I like the Meguiar's. It's more bang for your buck, but the Chemical Guys citrus removal, citrus water spot removal is actually easier to use, and then it's just a safer way to remove water spots without having to worry about diluting the water or diluting the chemical. So if you want to play it safe, go to Chemical Guys. If you want to get more bang for your buck, go to Meguiar's. So Amazon has it, so go ahead and check it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish up waxing up the car, and I'll show you guys the final results. Okay, guys, so here are the results. It's all nice waxed up and ready for the showtime, you know what I'm saying? So here she is. Alrighty guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So right now I'm all done. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bad boy out and go get her dirty once again, and then to the next video, guys. See you guys later. Peace out.